Manufacturing steel is one of the largest industrial sources of greenhouse gas emissions. If it could be done in a carbon-free way, it would revolutionize the industry and help fight climate change. There's a company in Boston trying to do just that.
If we can cut greenhouse gas emissions from steel, that's almost 10% of CO2 emissions. That's worth going after.
Boston Metal's mission is to manufacture metals on a clean way and a competitive way.
No one's going to pay a premium for green metal. It's got to be better, cleaner, cheaper. The conventional process to make steel, it's a chemical reaction. A blast of air goes in, passes over a form of carbon, and converts to a carbon monoxide gas. And that gas reduces the iron oxide to iron. So for every ton of iron you make several tons of CO2.
Boston Metal uses a process called molten oxide electrolysis. It uses electricity instead of using carbon from the coal.
You got iron oxide, you dissolve that into a mix of other oxides, and by the passage of electric current, the iron oxide is decomposed and it produces liquid iron. The oxygen out of the iron oxide comes off as oxygen gas. The production of CO2 is zero. The electricity can be produced sustainably without CO2 emissions. We've got ample data that indicate that we make better metal at lower energy consumption rates and without any greenhouse gas emissions. In big industry, capital intensive, risk averse, disruption in those industries does not come from within the industry. It comes from outside the industry. So we're the